Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Wednesday, October 6, 2021. It is 4:49 and 52 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, endometriosis. So let's hop to it here. Undiagnosed endometriosis comprises fertility treatment. Date October 5th, 2021. Source, University of Queensland. Women with undiagnosed endometriosis will have difficulty falling pregnant with IVF, according to new study. Researchers said women whose endometriosis went undiagnosed until after they began fertility treatment ended up doing more cycles, used treatments that aren't recommended, and were less likely to have a baby. By contrast, the research study found women who were diagnosed with endometriosis before fertility treatment experienced the same outcomes as those without the condition. In Australia, 1 in 9 women were diagnosed with endometriosis, and 40% of these experienced infertility. Researchers said Australian women can wait between 4 and 11 years before being diagnosed with endometriosis, and delayed diagnosis reduce the chances of fertility treatments being successful. In the research national study of 1,322 women, 35% of participants had endometriosis, and 1/3 of those weren't diagnosed until after they started their fertility treatment. Women who were diagnosed late were 4 times more likely to do a lot of cycles, sometimes up to 36 cycles of fertility treatment. They were also 33% less likely to report a birth. Researchers said early diagnosis of endometriosis and early access to IVF created a level playing field, as the same outcomes were recorded for women who did not have the condition. It is highly advantageous to diagnose endometriosis before starting fertility treatment and to adjust the treatment accordingly. Otherwise, women are less likely to have a child and face a higher financial and psychological treatment burden. It is critical to remain highly vigilant about the possibility of endometriosis amongst women who are thinking about fertility treatment, especially in the presence of severe pelvic pain. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.